How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification. So, what does this error mean? Well, it's essentially a security measure to protect users from abuse. Platforms often limit the number of accounts that can be created using a single phone number. If you're stuck with this error, here's what you can do. First, exercise some patience. Sometimes, the phone number blockage is temporary. Waiting for 24 hours can often resolve the issue as the system automatically unblocks the number. Set a reminder, come back after a day, and try verifying your account again. You might find that the block has been lifted. If waiting isn't an option or doesn't work, consider using a different phone number. Whether it's a secondary number you have or a friend's or family member's, using an alternate number can bypass the verification hurdle. And there you have it. By waiting patiently or switching to a different phone number, you can easily overcome the "this phone number cannot be used for verification" error. Remember, it's all about ensuring the security of your account while providing a seamless user experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. Until next time, stay safe online.